So I'll be showing you how to enable and also how to disable the option to screen messages from unknown senders on your iPhone. Now this is a new iOS 26 feature, and to enable or disable that, just go into settings. Under settings, scroll down to apps, tap on that, and then scroll all the way down to messages and tap on that. In the messages settings, if you scroll down, you should see screen unknown senders. So basically what this does is it hides notifications and move messages to the unknown senders list. So you can enable that, and all messages from unknown senders are going to be moved to a specific location, and your phone won't even notify you of new incoming messages. Now, if you want to, once you enable this, you also have the option to allow these notifications. So the notifications will still come, but the messages are going to be sent to the unknown senders list. All right. So you can enable this for verification codes, because mostly verification codes come from unknown senders numbers. And if you want to allow notifications from unknown senders, you can enable that as well. All right. So that is basically how to enable the option to screen unknown senders. To disable, just turn that off. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.